Welcome to Kapowich on Real Estate. I'm Pat Kapowich, standing here 122 feet above sea level in my hometown of Sunnyvale, California, in the heart of Silicon Valley. Today's snippet is on, you guessed it, wood fences, one of my favorite topics and often neglected. And that's why I want to share this series, starting with the wood wall. That's right. Take one. Pat replaces a rickety old fence with a wood wall. Let's take a look. Now, I had a relative in a townhouse community sharing a rickety old wall with the neighbor. The neighbor didn't want to replace it, so I said, I'll replace it. So I bought sheet metal, hired a crew, pressure treated 4x4s. So I was going to build a wall for not only sound, but for privacy. See, her next door neighbor had an outdoor kitchen and patio furniture. So the family would often gather there, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then late into the evening. It was very loud, and we wanted privacy as well as some soundproofing. So when this frame was built, what I did is I went out and got my favorite products, wood stain, stained it up. Now, in addition to this, I put up a layer of tar paper, which will not only help separate the wood members, but also provide soundproofing as well as some privacy. The neighbor had traditional vertical boards that we put tightly together, and you'll see here when we finish it off with the horizontal style. This wood wall attached not only to the ground, but to the garage as well as the townhouse. Traditionally, this is shared between good neighbors. In this case, the neighbors couldn't agree on the cost or the contractor or the style. So I made that decision for them so that I may do something I always wanted to do, build a wood wall for privacy as well as for sound, and I could show it off in a post. So there she is right there. And this is, of course, the beginning of a series that I'm going to share with you on wood fencing, the most neglected part of a home. So stay tuned. We will see you soon.